I'm not very good at speeches. I've been shaking for the past 30 minutes knowing that I've had to do this. But I really wanted to thank you guys for being here, and we cannot wait to celebrate with you guys tomorrow.
Love itself is what love is left over when being in love has burned away. Those that truly love have roots that grow together towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from the branches, they find they are one tree and not two. So without further ado, Kendal and Harrison, welcome to your wedding day.
In one of our first conversations, while you were heartbroken, I told you that there was no such thing as soulmates, that the universe is chaotic, people come together by chance, and that there's always someone else out there for you.
In the heart of every moment, there's a magic hour.
In 2009, I lied crying on your bed over some guy that broke my heart, claiming that he was my soulmate. You insisted that soulmates do not exist. Just compatible people. Terrible pickup line, by the way. But it did make me feel better, and I held on to your words.
You're a good man, and Kendal's lucky to have you. And Kendal's a good woman, and you're lucky to have her, and you better take good damn care of her.
You look absolutely stunning.
She is my sunshine. Everywhere she goes, she brings light to it. And Harrison, he is my He-Man, and he is a bundle of joy. I could not have asked for better people to be in my life, and I am so blessed that they are my He-Man and my sunshine. You guys are amazing. And I love you, and I would do anything for you.
Gorgeous. Oh, I love you.
Over the next few years, I became intoxicated by your energy, relaxed by your unconditional acceptance, and often overwhelmed with the higher clarity and depth through which you look at the world around you. As long as I chased you, sweetly rejected time and time again, I couldn't be held at fault for my persistence. Simply by being yourself, you made me fall in love with you. I never had a choice. Oh my God.
You are truly the best person that I have ever met. You have the kindest heart and genuinely care about others. And when I think about the person I want to be, I simply think of a person that deserves to be with you, because someone deserving of you would be an incredible person. I cannot promise that we will not fight, nor can I promise that our marriage will be perfect. Though you may argue the point, I do believe soulmates exist, and I know you are mine.
Standing up here today, it's with the most immense feeling of privilege that I can look forward to spending a lifetime with you.
You may now kiss the bride.
promise to be unbreakably devoted to you, to love and support you as deeply and fully as I possibly can. And I promise to be here for you as long as my last breath will allow. And when I go, if anything may come after the darkness closes in, with endless patience, I will wait for you. And if you cross before me, when I follow, with endless persistence, I will search for you. And into eternity, we will always be soulmates.
Marrying you is the easiest thing I'll ever do. I love you so much. I love you too much. You make me feel like sunshine. I'm so excited to start the adventure that is the rest of our lives with you. It's in a book elegantly bound, but in a language that we can't read just yet.
It is now my distinct honor and privilege to present to you for the first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Harrison and